Hello student, how are you? In our previous video we learned how we can print the hello world on the output, output screen. Okay, so now in this video we are going to perform the addition of the two numbers. Right? So Akash, currently we are going to perform the addition of two numbers. Right? So as I told you yesterday, whenever we are doing the code of Java, at that time first of all we need to open the notepad. Right? In that notepad we can write the Java code. Right? 1 minute. I'm getting this full screen. Wait. So just let's start. So first of all we need to write the class. Right? As I told you, class is a user-defined data type. Right? In class we can store the multiple types of data in a single unit. Right? And also yesterday I told you about the Java. Right? What is Java? Who developed Java? Right? I didn't told you about the what are the advantages. Like advantages is like Java is very simple language, right? Java is very easy to understandable, and syntax is also very easy, right? And also like it is based upon the C++. If you learn the C++, then Java is very easy for you. Okay, so you don't need to learn many things for the Java if you learned C++ perfectly, right? So in this video, mm, we are going to write the addition. So first of all we need to include the file, right? Like java dot util dot scanner dot star, right? As our wish, right? If you want to write the scanner class, then we can write, otherwise we can also use the dot star, right? So like there are two ways to declare the header files in Java. This is the first way and this is the second way, right? But I prefer you should follow this method because this is very more important, because when you will write the very big program of the Java, at that time you need to include the many predefined data from this package, from this file, right? So at that time util will be good for us, right? Not scanner is only user for scanner class, but util is user for all the predefined data type that are present in these header files. Okay. So after that class, we need to write the class class and addition. Addition is the name of our class, right? And we can give the any name whatever you want, right? If you want to give the name khurchi bucket, then we can give whatever you want. Just I am taking addition, right? Addition as a class name. Okay, so Akash, is you getting my voice? Hello, Akash. Akash. Okay, okay, okay. So after that, we need to write the our public method, right? Main method. This is very more important. Without main method, it is not possible to write the Java code, right? So for this, we can write public static void main string args, right? And so this is the closing of the main method, and this is the closing of our class. Okay, so in this program we have a one class, only one class, that is addition, right? Addition, and we have one more class, that is string, right? It is also one type of class, right? string is also one type of class. Okay, so we have total two type of classes in our program. Okay, so as per our program, we have to write the addition of the two number. We are not only writing the addition of the two number, right? We are also performing the all the other arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, so we can perform the addition of two number by the two ways, right? By assigning value to the variable, and also we can take the input from the user, right? We can choose the whatever you want as per our wish. Okay, so I am choosing the second. So I'll choose both one, right? First of all, I'll do from the uh, first of all I'll assign the value to the variable, then I'll perform the addition of that number. After that, I'll take the input from the user, then I'll perform the addition of the two numbers. Okay, so for this I'm taking three variables, a, b and c. Okay, we can also perform the addition in the two variables, right? We but I am using the third variable for easy understanding, right? So in a variable I am storing 10 value, in the b I am storing 20 value. Okay, so here simply we need to store the addition of two numbers in c variable, right? C equal to a plus b, it means the addition of our a and b is storing to the c. Okay, then we can simply write system dot out dot println. Okay, then we can print the addition of the two numbers. Okay, so this is very simple program, right? This is very simple program that we are doing today. Okay, so if you want to compile the program, then first of all we need to save our file. This okay, so currently we are saving our file. So yesterday we have created one yesterday we have created one folder, that is Java YouTube channel. Okay, you can create the folder you can give the folder name anything whatever you want, right? You can give your name, you can give your laptop name, whatever you want as your wish. But I given this name Java YouTube channel, right? But my Java is present in the C disk, right? In the C disk, my, as you can see, Java. See, this is my Java and these are the JDKs which I have, right? So here I am saving my file. What is whenever you are saving the file, at that time you should see what is your class name, right? What is your class name? You should give only that name which you have in your class, right? I have addition as a class name, so I am giving addition to my file name, addition dot. And yesterday I also told you, whenever you are saving the Java program, at that time you should give one extension to your notepad file, that is java.java. It is a extension, it is necessary for the Java. Without .java extension it is not possible to run, right? So after that, save as a type all files, right? All files, then it will create our .java file. Save and see in our folder whether he is created or not. For this, go in the Java YouTube channel. See here we have one see Java source file. Okay, simply if you want to compile our Java program, then we need to write one command. This also I told you yesterday, that is java c, and after that file name dot java. Okay, so for that click here and replace as a cmd, right? Then we will come here in our this location, right? So after that put write one query, file one query, that is java c. After that, what is our file name? our class name, that is addition dot java. Here as you can see our compilation is successfully done. After that see here, this compiler has been created one class file. It means in this class file, right, he included the bytecode. Okay, that bytecode can be understood by the computer. It is not understandable by user because it is a high level language. It always generate the bytecode. Okay, and this bytecode we can run on any operating system whatever you want, because Java is a high level language, right? High level language you can run on any operating system. So yeah, here we are here we are our compiling process has been done. After that we are interpreting our file, right? Java addition. For this you should not Java C, right? For interpreting just you need to write Java and file name, Java file name, it's sufficient. Java, sorry, Java and addition, and let's see our addition is successfully completed. Addition 30. Okay, it is displayed successfully. Okay, and like this you can also do some other operations. For example, sub mul div. Okay, whatever you want you can perform the operation. I am performing mul means multiplication. Okay, not mod. a into b, and this is a multiplication. And after that if you want to perform the division, then we can perform like this, right? And yes, if you want to perform the subtraction of the two number, then we can perform like this, a minus b, right? This is very simple program. Then we can write, and also you can copy this like this. Here we have a total 4. Yes, total 4. C, then mul, then div. After that save it. Okay, after the saving the file you just need to compile first. Okay, here we are not getting any error. It means our files is successfully loaded into the compiler. Okay, then we can interpret our program Java addition. Let's see, addition 30, yeah, it is correct. Multiplication 10 into 20, it is a 200, correct. And after that yeah, and also we can change this name. Okay, I didn't change it. So for the subtraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So these are the operations which we have performed. Okay, so this is a very simple program. You can note it on your notebook. Okay, if you are a beginner then you can note it. If you are not a beginner, okay, then we can directly start your code on your system. Okay, so yeah, our first process has been completed. Okay, we directly did it like we assigned one value to the one variable, and also we are assigned one value to the second variable, and we performed the addition of the two numbers. Right, but if you want to perform the addition by taking the number from the user, then at that time we need to do some different kind of the things. For this we need to take one more class, that is scanner class, right? That is also important. Okay, okay, so now we are going to perform other operation. Okay, now we are taking the input from the user. For this simply you can write here scanner class. Okay, scanner class, you can write the scanner class like this, scanner xyz equal to new scanner system dot in. You can simply write the scanner class like this. Okay, it is not like different. Okay, it is very easy. Okay, if you are doing the practice regularly, then you can easily write the scanner, right? Like I can say ki you should put this scanner in your mind, right? Because this is very more important. You will use this scanner class repeatedly, right? Because this is necessary. If you want to take the input from the user, then you need to like you need to write this scanner class compulsory. Okay, so for this I'm just removing the value. Okay, then take the input like this. So first of all, like a system dot out dot print name, enter first number and second number, right? Enter first number and the second number. After that, a equal to the first number you should store in the a like this. Okay, then you should store the second number in the b. So we are successfully set out the two numbers in the two variables. So this is also very simple. Then it will perform the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, right? This is also very easy. So we are checking whether our program is correct executed or not. For this, go to the command line, then type the java c. Okay, yeah, here we have one error, that is c. Which error we have? Wait, java c error, variable c might not have been initialized. Dot c dot multiplication division. Okay, remove this, and yes, like in the c you should store like this, a plus b. Okay, uh, in the subtraction you should store the subtraction of the two numbers, a minus b. Okay, c sub, after that you should store the multiplication. This is not a c. Okay, if you want to print any value, okay, then you should do like this. Otherwise you need to assign the value already. Okay, like you should assign the value like this. If you don't want to print anything, then you need to assign the value like this in the java, right? But in c you can print without like dot zero. Multiplication, a multiply div equal to a divided by b. So after that, write system dot out dot println addition equal to c. Okay, for addition, after that subtraction, after that addition, subtraction, and the third one is multiplication. Okay, and the fourth one is will be division. So these arithmetic operations we performed successfully. Now just we need to check this whether this is a correct or not. I think this would be the correct. See guys, this is a correct. After compilation, it is created one bytecode file in our folder. After that we are interpreting java addition. So he is saying enter first name and second number, and right now we need to give two values for our command line, 10, 20. See guys, 10, 20, 30, and subtraction will be 10 minus 20 minus 10, multiplication 10 into 20, 200, correct, and division, like division will be 0. Okay, it is a one type of expression, sorry, exception in the java, right? Yeah, I'll tell you when we are learning the exceptional handling in the Java. At that time I'll tell you, like we cannot do the division smaller to the bigger, like I'll tell you. Okay, so today we are successfully completed this addition of the two numbers. Okay, so our second videos, in the next videos, we will do some hard type of program, right? Like this our yesterday's program and this program, I think both are the very easy, right? So from today we will start some programs in the class. Okay, in the class direct, like class and object. First of all, we can, like we will declare the class, then we will create the object of that particular class. Okay, so for today I think it is a sufficient, it's sufficient. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so see you later, and also you should do the practice. You should complete some new type of programs, right? Like I performed a arithmetic operation, then do you should perform some different kind of like a program. Like we should take the 5 marks, take the input from the user. Okay, first of all you should print one message key, enter the marks of the 5 subject. After that you should take the input from the user. Okay, you should take that 5 subject input, like subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, subject 5, then perform the addition of that 5 marks, right? Then you can find the average of that particular total marks, right? And also if you want to find the percentage of that mark, then you can find, right, as per your v. So you should create this type of program. If you are creating, then like uh, like you will improve your coding in Java. Okay, so for today is sufficient. Bye bye, we will meet tomorrow.